by the waves, looking out real far. Your laughter's the brightest of any star. Eyes that sparkle like the morning dew. Emotions start with you. Every moment feels so intense. Your smile breaking every defense. A whirlwind we ride through and through. Love's journey starts with you. Guitar strumming softly in the air. The rhythm feels like we're a perfect pair. Dancing to the beat of something new. All my dreams start with you. Underneath the moon we speak in silent words. The night's a canvas only we've heard. Whispers threading through the cool night breeze. Emotions start with you. Every moment feels so intense. Your smile breaking every defense. A whirlwind we ride through and through. Love's journey starts with you. Searching for reasons in a sea of doubt, but with you I've got it all figured out.